Yes, guys and girls, just checking in with your daily analysis on the pairs I normally go through: GJ, GN, gold, silver, AUD, USD. We have US oil today, and we've got US 30 today as well. So we'll quickly crack on with it, try not to make it too long. So as we could see, GJ, as explained in previous videos, we are just in between these two zones here. So I am just waiting to see what happens with my sell. I am in a sell from this level here. I have taken TP1, which was at 30 pips, and I have got another one that is running in profit at the minute. Now, if we do come back up to retest this level here, I might be looking at closing the trade. Reason is because the amount of times it has hit this level. I mean, when it does finally break this level, we are going to see an explosive move, or when it finally breaks this level, we are going to see an explosive move to the downside. Still got this cold I can't shake. So, I mean, if we do get the break to the upside, then this is the kind of level I will be looking at taking sells from again when we hit this trend line. As you can see, we've had the first push in. We've had a few touches. It's had more than 3 touches. But when it comes to this trend line again, I will be looking at taking sells. But my bias is still down. My bias is still this 149 level, the break of this, and then price will absolutely go to hell. But like I say, you always have to look on both sides of the trade. GN, again, price is undecided around this level here. It looks like it wants to push back up to this level, but then it pushes back down again. We'll have to see what happens with this today. Again, this is just a waiting game. We are in the middle of 2 zones again, like GJ. I think GBP is a bit undecided what it wants to do at the minute, especially with all these new variants of the cold coming out. So let's have a look at gold when it finally wants to load. Now, I was saying yesterday, we'd be looking at a break of this level. A close above this level will produce more upside moves. Now, sorry guys. Now, we did have the break of this level, and currently price is trying to push back down below this level. I can't see it pushing back down below at the minute, to be honest. Now it has closed above it. I think we are going to create a spike, and we are going to get some more upside moves. So again, a waiting game on gold. Everything is a waiting game today. As we can see on the 4-hour, this candle closes in 45 minutes. Now we will want to see the push up above that on the 4-hour, and obviously on the daily tonight when this closes in 12 hours and 45 minutes, we will want to see it close above this level again. But like I say, again, on the other side of the trade, if we do close below this level again, then tomorrow we could be looking at more downside moves. So we've just got to see. Again, I will be looking for the push up to this trend line to retest it as resistance, and then we'll see what happens when we retest it as resistance. We have retested it as resistance here before and it pushed down, so we might just break through this and carry on going up. Silver is basically the same as gold. We have had the break of this trend line, and like I said yesterday, we'll be looking for the close above this, above this resistance level, not trend line. And price is currently just testing it. It's tried to push through, it hasn't, and it's pushed back up to this level. So I think today we could be seeing more upside moves. Now, I know we have got a bit of USD news at 1:30 UK time. I think it's high impact as well. Yeah, high impact and medium impact, and these are both at 1:30. So depending on the outcomes of these, will depend on the outcome, the direction of silver. Obviously, a weaker US dollar will push gold and silver up, and a stronger US dollar, or better than expected results on those news releases I've just shown you, will push gold down, gold and silver down. AUD USD, let's have a quick look at this. Now, we did get the bounce off this level, like I said yesterday. Price did continue to push down for a bit, but then the bulls have pushed it back up. Now, again, waiting. in between these two zones again, as you can see, just like GJ and GN. We've just got to wait and see what price wants to do. If we get the push back up to this level, then it is possible that we could break this level because of how many times it has been touched quite recently. If we get the push down to this level, then I will be looking at possibly taking 30 to 50 pip buys before selling. But again, if you listen to my videos, previous videos, this would have been a good trade. You would be in it and you would be in profit. So your stop losses would be in profit as well. You'd probably taken TP1. So it's all good fun. Have a quick drink while we look at oil. Now, as you can see here on the monthly, no, I don't want to join. You can see oil looks very, very bullish. But this is why we always go to the higher time frames and zoom out. Because if you do that, it looks very bearish, long-term bearish. So we will look for the next level of possible resistance, which could have come here. And you did get a bounce here and a big move down. So then we look for the next possible resistance level, which was here. So oil does respect prices very, very well. Levels, as you can see, back here, this level was used as support. It was used as support here. And if you go back further, you'll probably find out it was used as more support as well. Now, this cold is doing my head in, sorry guys. Now, my next level of possible resistance is quite a way away. I mean, here, this profit level taken here, as you can see, this is a very, very strong level. You can see it was used as resistance here, and then price absolutely dropped, used as resistance, dropped, used as resistance, and then look at that drop. So if price continues to go up, I will be looking at this level here. Now let's have a look at the price, move my head out of the way. Around the 107 level, $107 level. Now, if price doesn't reach there and price wants to go down instead, then again, we could see another good level here. I mean, it does not take a genius to work these levels out. As you can see, it hit it as resistance and dropped again here and again here. Look at that drop. And then it used it as support here. And more recently, it used it as support. When did it use it as support this month? About a couple of weeks ago. So if price drops, then I will be looking at this level here, and I will be looking at taking some buys off it, very short buys, because if price hits this, human psychology, people are going to see this level here where it hit and think, oh, price is going to bounce. So the majority of people will buy, and then they will take the profits. And then if price smashes through this level, once it has created that bounce, we have to look for the next profit taking level, which to me could come around here. Just for the reason, look at this. Remember, this is the weekly time frame as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks in a row it hit before it absolutely bounced. So if that level breaks, then I will be looking at this level. Where has my daily one gone? Where's that daily level gone? It disappeared. The 107 level. Well, on the daily, we could hit the 85 level. And then if we hit the 85 level and we break through the 85 level, then it's 107. So, you know, you just got to get your chart up and you just got to get these levels marked on. And then you've got to wait and you've got to see what price does when it hits these levels. It's just a waiting game. That's all it is. Now let's have a look at US 30. I said the biggest crash in the stock market is coming. And then we had this massive downturn. So could this be the start of the crash? As you can see, I think I released my video, was it around these highs here? Or was it before market open? Can't remember. But I don't want your ads. It was around this level here, I think. Price had a little bit of a run up and then consolidated and then absolutely crashed. So what can we see? It nearly hit this level here that I've had marked on. You can go back and check in the previous video. As you can see, resistance level, support here and support here. So I am still waiting for the push down to this level. If we get a push down to this level, will we see a little bounce before the breakthrough? Possibly. If we do see the breakthrough, then we could be expecting a massive fall, like I explained in my stock market US 30 video. Go back and watch that if you want. On the weekly, I'll still be targeting this level here. So that is it today, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I've only got 9 subscribers at the minute, which is pretty pathetic, but you know, that will build up. Your likes, your comments, your shares, whatever, all help the YouTube algorithm, help me get seen. So I appreciate your support, guys. Hope this video's helped.